Hello everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you a very beautiful calculator app. It's called Numi. Primarily it's available for Mac, okay, but some features are available for Windows as of now. As I am a Windows user, you can install it for Mac, Linux, or you can use it in terminal. Okay, so this is the website here, numi.app. So you can download it from here. I have already downloaded and installed it. So first let's see it in action, how it is used. Okay, so it's just a simple, very simple calculator. You can see very minimalistic, nothing here, nothing means nothing. Okay, so how it works, like say you want to do a multiplication like 56 multiply 96. You can see the value is available here. Okay, this is the value. Okay, so you did some expenses like 85 plus 23 plus 45 plus 63 plus 78. You can see the value here. Okay, this is some basic calculations. Also you can do some percentile calculation like 63% of 1000. Okay, you can see the values here. Okay, or like we can do 56 is what percent of 5000. Okay, I think, yeah, you can see 6% of 5000. Okay, you can do it like also this. Also there are some other types of calculation like currency and real-time currency updates. Like if I say 1 euro, you can see 1 euro, let's say 3 euro in USD, you can see 3.15, and this is the real-time value I have checked. Okay, and also you can do something like date calculation, and like what is today. You can see today is showing here. Let's say today plus 16 days. You can see the value here. Okay, also you can do something like length calculation like let's say 50 millimeter in centimeter or 50 millimeter in inch. Okay, you can see this kind of calculation can also be available here. Okay, so these are the samples for very basics one. Okay, it's have some language processing capabilities. You can see that here. Okay, also the details documents is available here. See what kind of thing is supported here. You can check from here. All the things for Windows is as of now still not available, but for Mac and Linux is also available. You can check the details documentation from here. Okay, so this is the GitHub, or this is the home page of this. How to install for Windows, it's just an installer, and you can also install for a command line. You can install for Mac OS by Homebrew. Okay, so I think as we already use many kinds of calculator, but this gives us some much more readability and understanding. Like say if I just change it here, it's updated automatically. You can see in calculator this some of this are very cumbersome or not possible. Okay, so and it's so minimalistic, that is the main plus point here. Okay, I think if you do day-to-day calculations in your daily life, this app might be helpful for you. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one.